Hello and welcome to the video where I'll show you how to connect your Apple AirPods Pro to your iPhone 11. Now it's a Bluetooth connection between the two devices here. So we're going to enable Bluetooth on the iPhone 11 first. Then we're going to make these AirPods Pro discoverable. So I'll place those down for a second. We'll go to settings on the iPhone and we're going to Bluetooth, which is here. And we're going to just toggle Bluetooth on by pressing that button. Great. So Bluetooth is now on and this device is discoverable and can discover other devices. The quickest way to make these AirPods Pro discoverable is simply to flip the lid like so. Now, if we keep an eye on the phone itself, we'll see a display pop up. And if you just quickly look back on the AirPods, you can see the flashing white light. That's just letting you know that these AirPods are discoverable and they have been discovered. So we click connect. It says connecting. And we can see from this infographic, it just tells you how you can control the AirPods, the buttons, noise control, etc. These AirPods are now connected. If I just click that box away, you can see at the top here we have AirPods Pro and it says connected. Hope that's been useful to you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're getting a pair of these AirPods Pro yourself, maybe for your birthday or for Christmas, or perhaps you have them already. Are you considering upgrading from the original AirPods 1 or 2? Or do you use a totally different brand, and do you think there are better than the AirPod Pro? Perhaps better noise cancelling earphones? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear. I do read the comments and I will respond. So just want to say thank you very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead. Thanks a lot.